Hey Diva, what's up? It's your girl Diva and welcome back to the House of Glam TV. So I'm back with a great finds video for you guys. Yes, I know it's been a while, but stay tuned because this is my great finds from Marshalls and Tjmaxx for the month of January and February. Be right back. Alright guys, so I know it's been a while and I do apologize. Your girl has been going through some personal things that I needed to take a break from, and doing YouTube was not going to help me get through the things, but just know I'm getting better. So I have managed to pop into Tjmaxx and Marshalls since January. And of course this month, and I thought this video was going to be a full, like, what I found from Tjmaxx and Marshalls that was all ABH. But I forgot I had some other things. So I had popped in one time and I bought another one of these. I don't know if I shared this in my last Great Finds video that I found another one. But I did find another one of the GlamGlow Power Cleanse. And this is the green one, and this was $17.99. And then I went back another time and I found the Super Cleanse Daily Clearing, I can't even talk right now, Daily Clearing Cleanser. And this is the white one, the mud to foam, but this is the white container. This one was $19.99, so it was $2 more, but I bought them in the same store, surprisingly. So I don't know why this one was a little bit more, but this one is the charcoalish color one. So I like this one too. I've used it once or twice since I bought it. I was trying not to use it as much because I was saving it for the video, but this is it here. And normally if you could find these at Sephora, I believe they were like $29.99 or something like that at Sephora. And you know, GlamGlow stuff is expensive. So as an honorable mention, because I did find like two other GlamGlow products, it was the mask in the orange container that was like $44 and change, and then the green one that goes with that the dual cleanse was like $33. And the last time I went back, they still had that dual cleanse one, the green container, for $33. So I'm waiting to see if it pops onto their clearance or if randomly I just want to get it to try. So then I have popped into Marshalls another time because I was on Instagram and seeing people find ABH stuff for dirt cheap. So I went in one time and found two liquid lipsticks, and I got really excited because I almost found the color that I had before that was in my purse when it had gotten stolen, but somebody left the box there and took the color. Anyway, I managed to pick up Vamp and Soft Lilac. These were both $6.99, so I was like, that's a steal compared to $20. So this is Vamp. It's like a rush-ish looking color to me. I think it was starting to separate too. So that's it right there, if you guys can see it. And this is a color I never had before, so that's why I was really excited that they had these. So for $6.99, you can't go wrong. Then I got Soft Lilac. Oh, this is pretty. I think I'm gonna like this one. You know I like my purples. And then on another day, I went in and I found another liquid lipstick. This just happened to be on their clearance for $1.50, y'all. $1.50. And this is in the shade Catnip, which is looks almost similar to Soft Lilac. I guess I'll have to swatch. If y'all want to see swatches, I'll post it on my Instagram. I just don't want to get, I got on a white shirt today and I don't want to get lipstick and stuff on my shirt. I found a individual shadow. They had the individual shadows, but they didn't have a lot of shade ranges, so I picked up Fawn because I don't think I have this one. So I picked that up, and that's what that looks like. Probably have a similar shade to this in something else, but I picked up that. And then I got really lucky another day and found both blush kits. So these were $19.99 each, and I'll post the original price of what these are down below in the description box for you guys. But this one is the this one has the darker colors. So this has colors like blackberry, chocolate, Vegas, and dusk. So I was very excited when I found these. And this one was like thrown in their clearance, but it wasn't clearance. I think I went back another time and they had one more of these. So those are the colors in this one. And then I got the lighter one. Just thinking that might be really cool to have and toss in my kit, or maybe I can use this on myself. And then when I went back, they had more. So, you know, if you live in my area, Camp Creek, you know, you can come over here and find these if you're looking for them. And then they had this one. And this one has Spoiled, Coastline, Breeze, and Terrace are the colors. I thought this was really pretty. So I may just keep this one for myself. If I decide so, I'll go back and buy another one. Although I don't need blushes for my kit. I have a bunch. So these might just be for me. I'm not a big blush person, but I do have some. So those were my great finds from Tjmaxx and Marshalls. If you guys are into high-end products but don't want to spend high-end coin, definitely check out Tjmaxx and Marshalls. You can find a lot of great stuff, especially if you're looking for skincare or even makeup. So you guys may see this in my next month's video, or I'm just going to mention that I saw it. So I did also find they had the Aurora highlight palette, and it was retailing for $24.99. I'm not sure that I really want it because the highlight colors don't look like highlight colors that I would use. So I'm on the fence about getting it. And then they had the lip palette, volume 1. So eventually I'm guessing Anastasia Beverly Hills is going to come out with volume 2. I'm weighing my thoughts on it because it does have a lot of the primary colors that you can mix with the other colors and get some great colors. It's a great item for my kit. I'm weighing my options on it. If you have it, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. Is it worth me getting, or maybe I could pass? But for the price, it was $24.99, so I'm definitely thinking about it. So comment down below, let me know what y'all think. So that was all the great finds that I found for January, February. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave those down below. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the House of Glam TV. I am your girl Diva. Thanks so much for stopping in. Your presence is always welcome and appreciated. To my oldie but goodie dolls, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much for all the love. Especially shout out to my girl Coils of Love, who has said, sis, come on, we need them videos. Carol Creamy B, come on sis, where them videos at? So I'm back, guys. I don't know how often you guys are gonna see me, but I'm gonna try. So I got some other things coming up soon for you guys, so stay tuned for all of that. And until the next time, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay fab, because you know your girl is too. Check y'all in my next one. Bye.